Saludos, good evening. W4KWS here, working QRP 10 watts here. 10 whiskeys. I'm going to try to work this station in Turks and Caicos Island. They're working the contest, and it'd be nice to get a 10 watt contact here during the contest.
59547 QSL. Thank you. Victor Papa 5 Echo.
Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra.
Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra 59548.
Yeah, copy the 59548. You're 59, number 125125 QSL.
QSL, Victor Papa 5 Echo.
All right, there we go. 10 watts. 10 whiskeys. 10 whiskeys.
Victor Papa 5 Echo.
Go amp. Turks and Caicos. Let's go ahead and
America 7, Japan Charlie.
log in before
QSL.
I forget. 20 meter at this
Victor
time.
Alpha 7, Japan
Pretty
Charlie
cool.
59549. Thank you, Victor Papa 5 Echo.
Pretty good signal.
November Radio. November 7, November Radio 59.
Pretty cool station.
Excellent, 5956. Thank you, Dave.
Pretty cool.
Delta
All right.
Echo.
Quick video, short video.
Kilo 3, Whiskey Delta Echo 59551.
Bands are extremely active this weekend. Well, it's not even a weekend yet, but it's a Friday
Kilo
night.
6, Whiskey Delta Echo.
We have some pretty cool videos coming up.
Charlie Quebec 7 X-ray. Thank you, contact. Charlie Quebec 7 X-ray.
Charlie Quebec 7 X-ray.
Thank you, contact. Charlie Quebec 7 X-ray.
Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra.
54 Kilo Whiskey Sierra 59565.
Thank you. Copy the 59565. Please copy 59126
Thank you, Charlie Quebec 7 X-ray.
Woo! Second contact, 10 watts.
Thank you, contact.
This guy is in Portugal. CQ7X rating, Portugal. Let's log
Charlie
it.
Quebec 7 X-ray. Thank you, contact. Charlie Quebec 7 X-ray. November 7.
Ooh, nice pile up here.
Kilo 5 Echo Tango X-ray 59273. Roger, 59024. Call it Kilo 5 Echo Tango X-ray. Yes, the Echo Tango X-ray, I have it.
All right, yeah, well, 7-3, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Quick video here. We have some videos coming up on the 705 and the SDR control software. We have it running. We have it running externally. We're just tweaking it here and there, just making sure we know all the ins and outs of the software. So anyway, 7-3 from Key West, W4KWS clear.